How to use Google Maps offline. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you just that. So for that, just open your Google Maps. So in order to use your Google Maps offline, you need to download offline maps on Google Maps. So in order to download the map, just select the area or the location that you want to navigate when there is no connection and while you're offline. So just click on the profile icon from the top right, and here you will see the option called offline map. So just tap on it. And now you have to select the area in your map. So just click on select your own map. Now all you have to do is just select the area of your preference in the Google Maps that you want to download offline. The larger the area is, the more the space it will gonna take in your device. So make sure that you select accordingly and precisely. So for example, I want to capture this particular area. I'm just gonna zoom in and it will gonna take just 10 MB. So just go ahead and click on download. Now as you can see that it has started downloading, and while it is getting downloaded, you can go ahead and change the name of the file that is being downloaded. So for example, just go ahead and change the name to the My Maps. Now as you can see that the map has been downloaded, so just click on it, and you can also update the map if you want to. So when you click on this map, you will be able to access it when you are offline. So this is basically how you will be able to use Google Maps offline without internet. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.